So underneath the hood here, we have the artfully done vnt15 adaptation to this 1.6 eco diesel. One of the things was a Mark II gasser intake manifold, matched up easy enough to get a much nicer flowing plenum. As you can see, a lot of care and detail was taken into even building the trumpet for the J-tube feed horn from the vnt15 turbo. That vnt15 turbo has a fully sealed push you pull me wastegate, so you can program it to actuate by vacuum or pressure, or a combination of both. This intake manifold has a couple of 1/8 NPT fittings for like a aqua mist liquid intercooler, water injection mist system, or temperature probes, or propane injection HHO, etc. The bad is it does look like it could use a valve cover gasket. There actually happens to be one in the parts supply. It looks like we might have a couple of wet injectors. They're leaking around the case a little. Now the injector bodies are the turbo injector bodies with a side cut nozzle, which helps them be better self-cleaning. Right there's a good oil filter on it, and the oil tap and feed line to the turbo. There's the fuel canister. It comes with a spare fuel canister. Brake fluid's happy. It actually has a brand new installed clutch pressure plate and all that, and a new installed starter. The exhaust manifold is wrapped in turbo blanket. It's put in a sock or whatever they call that. But anyways, it's got a turbo blanket wrap around it to keep the energy in the exhaust all the way up to the turbo and not in the engine compartment or induction system. Oh, here, let's start it for you.